How to buy Facebook stars. I'm going to show you how you can buy or gift stars on Facebook to show your appreciation to your favorite content creators. So, to get started, open your browser and log in to your Facebook account. On your profile page, you're going to select Video, and on the left corner of your screen, click Reels. Then, from here, you have to select the star icon that says Give. Then, it will show you the number of stars you have chosen to gift or buy. Or you can just choose Buy. Click on the amount of stars you wish to have, and then choose which payment method that you would like. When you're done, just click Continue and it will automatically add stars to your account.